In this video, I will use a dataset of sale prices of houses in Ames, Iowa, which you can download following the link in the description. Now, when we install the Analysis ToolPak, please check the previous video on how to do that. Let's see how convenient it is. And here again, we have a data from Ames houses. So first of all, we want to split it in like the screen for convenience. So just highlight one line here, go to View, and choose this option Split. So it will allow us to easily move around Excel, right? So I just went down to the very last line here. So I have slightly less than 3,000 houses in this data set. So you can see that in columns I have my different variables, right? So for example, column A, it's my key variable of interest, which is the sale price in dollars for houses sold in Ames, and each row represents a unique house, right? So for example, house number 7 was sold for $195,500. It has overall quality of 6 and overall condition also of 6, and you can check other variables as well. Now, with the help of the Analysis ToolPak, you can easily obtain, for example, descriptive statistics. To do that, just go to the data panel, select data analysis, collect here descriptive statistics, click OK, and let's choose, for example, 3 first columns. So I go from A1 to the last observation here in column C. Then I return to my main screen. I have to add here that labels are in the first row because I have names of variables. And the last thing I want to check here, it's summary statistics, right? I want to obtain summary statistics. So here again, 3 things you have to do. First, highlight the columns which you want to analyze. Second, add labels if you have labels. And the third one, click on the summary statistics to generate descriptive statistics for that 3 examples. So click OK, and Analysis ToolPak will create for you a new page in Excel. And if you extend it a bit, you can see that for each of my variables here, I have obtained mean, right? So for example, mean price of a house, it's $180,412. You can obtain also the median, which is slightly less here. You can obtain minimum, maximum, count of observations, and other things, right? So with the help of Analysis ToolPak, you can analyze multiple variables without knowing Python or Excel. Thank you for watching. You can practice all the exercises in this video following the link in the description.